Hey everyone, it's Tang Yun. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how to cook Chinese fried rice. And I have a very special secret ingredient. This ingredient is uncut sauce. It's the right color. This sauce tastes very good. It can instead of the soy sauce. If you cannot find it, you can cut some bits. So let's get started. Fried rice is done. Do you like the color and the shape of the heart? Hope you like it. If you liked the video today, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video today and hope can see you next time.